How to unblock someone on YouTube. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on YouTube. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your YouTube app and then here, for example, if I block this person, and now what you have to do is you have to search for that person. Then once you search for it, go on to their channel. Then here you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then here you will get the option to unblock user. Tap on it, then tap on unblock, and this user will be unblocked. And so this is how you can unblock someone on YouTube. Thanks for watching.